Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Dual Brew Pro is probably one of the most versatile coffee makers you can find on the market. Today, we're diving deep into the Ninja Dual Brew Pro, exploring its features, brewing options, and overall performance. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or a serious aficionado, this video will help you decide if this is the perfect coffee maker for your needs. We'll cover everything from its brewing capabilities to its ease of use, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. Impresa Coffee Descaler, 2-pack. Tired of residue in your coffee maker? This descaling solution from Impresa effectively cleans and rinses away oil buildup. Each pack comes with 2 bottles, providing multiple uses to keep your machine running smoothly. This USA-made formula is highly effective. You only need a small amount per cleaning session, ensuring your machine stays in top condition. It removes buildup and keeps your machine clean for longer. Using this descaling solution eliminates limescale and mineral buildup. This helps prevent corrosion, significantly extending the lifespan of your machine and improving the taste of your coffee. This descaler works with almost all single-use coffee and espresso machines. Whether you have a Keurig, Nespresso, or another brand, it's designed to keep your machine running efficiently. This product is suitable for various machine types. It can be used on automatic, manual, pod, capsule, filter, commercial, cappuccino machines, kettles, and electric water heaters. What we like? This descaler is a lifesaver for all coffee machine owners. It works with almost any machine, ensuring a deep clean. If you have a variety of coffee makers or want to keep your current one running smoothly, you should consider this. What people say. The coffee is hot and flavorful. The ability to brew a full pot or a single cup is very convenient. The frother works great. Number 4. Ninja 12-cup Programmable Coffee Brewer. This coffee maker offers 2 distinct brew styles, classic and rich. Each brew is designed to be flavorful and never bitter, thanks to its custom brew strengths. Whether you're brewing for yourself or entertaining guests, this machine has you covered. It can brew both small and large batches of coffee, making it perfect for any occasion. The coffee maker uses advanced technology to ensure even saturation and precise temperature control. This results in coffee that is exceptionally flavorful and rich. Don't worry about diluted coffee when brewing a small batch. This feature ensures that your coffee maintains its full flavor, even when brewing just a few cups. With the 24-hour programmable delay brew, you can prepare your coffee up to a day in advance. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee every morning. The warming plate keeps your coffee fresh and flavorful for up to 4 hours. Enjoy your coffee at your own pace, knowing it will stay warm and delicious. Filling the water reservoir is easy and convenient. Simply remove the 60-ounce reservoir and carry it to your sink for a quick and easy fill-up. What we like? This coffee brewer offers both classic and rich brew styles, catering to different preferences. The programmable delay brew is perfect for those busy mornings. If you like waking up to a fresh pot of coffee, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The coffee maker is easy to use and has multiple settings. The ability to brew a full pot or a single cup is a great feature. The coffee tastes great. Number 3. Keurig K-Cafe Coffee, Latte, and Cappuccino Maker. This is the Keurig K-Cafe, a versatile coffee maker. It lets you brew coffee, lattes, and cappuccinos with ease. You can use any K-cup pod to make your favorite drinks. Want a latte or cappuccino? Just press the shot button. This machine brews a concentrated shot of coffee. Then, add frothed milk for a delicious treat. The frother is dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple. It froths milk, including skim, soy, and almond milk. It even has a cold setting for iced drinks. Need a stronger coffee? This machine has a strong brew option. It also offers 4 cup sizes, 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces, so you can choose the perfect amount. With simple button controls, it's easy to use. The large 60-ounce water reservoir lets you brew multiple cups before refilling. This saves you time and effort. What we like? This machine is a complete package for coffee lovers. It makes lattes and cappuccinos with ease, and the frother is dishwasher safe. If you are looking for a versatile machine that can handle various coffee drinks, you should consider it. What people say. Makes great coffee. I love the flexibility for when I have people over. Everyone can have a different cup of coffee. The frother being on the side working independently from the coffee maker is great and allows for you to create froth for cappuccino or latte, while brewing a cup of coffee. The 60-ounce water reservoir is more than enough. I don't feel like I'm replacing the water that much. I like that you can remove the drip tray to accommodate a larger, taller coffee mug. I like that it's not too tall or large. Seems like it would fit the average countertop, even in a small apartment. In just a couple of minutes I can have a great latte or cappuccino. The frother works great, producing the best frothed milk for my espresso drinks. Plus, you don't have to buy any expensive special espresso pods. Any K-cup pod will work and still produce that rich flavor. Number 2. KRUPS Simply Brew 10-cup stainless steel coffee maker. Start your day with a full pot of coffee. This coffee maker brews up to 10 cups, perfect for sharing with family or guests. It has a 1.5 L capacity, ensuring everyone gets their fill. Need a cup before the brewing cycle is complete? This feature lets you pause the brewing process and pour a cup without any drips. It's coffee on demand, whenever you need it. Keep your coffee warm and ready to drink with the Keep Warm function. It maintains the ideal temperature until you turn it off. Enjoy a warm cup anytime. Brewing coffee is simple with the included reusable filter and measuring spoon. Just press the on-off button and enjoy your coffee. It makes your morning routine easy. Cleaning up is a breeze with this coffee maker. The carafe is dishwasher safe, and the materials are easy to wipe down. It's designed for hassle-free maintenance. What we like. This coffee maker is designed for convenience and ease of use. The pause and brew system lets you grab a cup mid-brew. If you like a simple, user-friendly coffee maker with a large capacity, it's a great option. What people say. The coffee maker is easy to use and has multiple settings. The ability to brew a full pot or a single cup is a great feature. The coffee tastes great. Number 1. Ninja Coffee Bar Brewer Replacement Permanent Coffee Filter. Introducing the reusable coffee filter designed for your Ninja Coffee Bar Brewer. This filter is a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to disposable paper filters, saving you money in the long run. The package includes 2 permanent coffee filters. They are easy to clean and designed for repeated use, making them a practical choice for your daily coffee routine. Crafted with food-grade stainless steel woven mesh, this filter ensures a better-tasting coffee. The fine mesh effectively filters out grounds, providing a smooth and enjoyable cup. This number 4 cone coffee filter is specifically designed for the Ninja Coffee Bar Brewer, suitable for brewing 8 to 12 cups. It's the perfect replacement for your coffee maker. Before purchasing, please check the dimensions: top diameter 4.8 by 4.64 inch, bottom diameter 2.36 by 0.98 inch, and side height 3.58 inch. Compare these measurements with your current filter to ensure a perfect fit. We recommend comparing the dimensions of this filter with your existing coffee maker and filters before making a purchase. This will help ensure that it fits your machine correctly. What we like. This filter is a great eco-friendly alternative to paper filters. The fine mesh ensures a better-tasting coffee. If you are looking for a reusable and cost-effective filter for your Ninja Coffee Bar, you should consider it. What people say. These reusable coffee filters work perfectly with my Ninja coffee maker. They fit well, are easy to clean, and the mesh is fine enough to keep ground out of the coffee while still letting the flavor come through. Fits my Ninja coffee pot perfectly. The filters fit my Ninja Dual Brew Pro CFP 305 perfectly. I have already used one and it seems to work just fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.